Hello guys, today I'm playing Build a Tower. I didn't also look at my rate this tower. Rate it 1 out of 10. I'm lagging because I'm lagging. Wait. I have a crafting table here so I can craft something and I slide. Whee! And I have speed and a slap. And a palm tree. Wait, let's see if there's anything. Wow, rockabye baby. If you usually see my channel, I made this butter squishy and express ball. This is my hair like an old account. How did he make that? I don't even know how to do that. And they already did it. Oh, I'm lagging because this is my tower. My tower is pretty big right now. Not that big, but yeah. See it? It's actually above. I'm making this to my lap, to our lap, because if I play this at phone, my jump is like being stopped. Stop. See? I'm literally pressing on jump. It's still not working. That's why. Because this thing is super laggy now. If I'm gonna play this, I need a computer, but I don't have some. So, and our keyboard and our mouse is now broken. I cannot play it anymore. Hard to play anymore. I'm just questioning, why do this butter squishy and this squishy donut is not free? You need to buy it with a real money, like box. What? We don't have money. We need money. What do we have here? Let me just grab this. If I'm doing a trade, they should trade me a better one. Just going to my tower. I smell some pretty noodles. Sorry guys. This is my mini forest. This is my mini playground, and this is my giveaway area. I forgot to add a text. I have to. Wait a minute. I'm lagging. I'm so lagging. I think my phone is. I think my mother's phone will not break. Yeah, and enter. I'm gonna say wait. Way. Okay. And yeah, that's over there. To bring up that would be good now. Just to see it. If you don't see it, you're blind. Stay tuned. I'm gonna make a shirt later, and this will be what? This thing doesn't even make money, dude. Are you kidding me? This is hard to craft with no, and it's giving us no money. Rotate. Yes, sir. Why do Texan don't even need money? What? This will be playground area. I don't know. That will be enough. By the way, we have an assignment I'm gonna make later. This has been 5 minutes already. And look at that base. He just made that. You think so long, you're like a frog. I don't know. I'm going to Black Sea, Black Sea, Black Sea, Black Sea, blah. It just restart. I don't even notice because the scale, the sense even go up. I'm not gonna buy something, just buying these and not ice. Ice kinda lame, bro. I have a lot of that. I just give it away. Need these and but I keep some. If you want to join to me, just add my account. I'm good. That is my account. Wait. Oh my god, I forgot. My brother delete kapkot. Okay guys, that's all. See my tower again. One last time. That's my tower. Goodbye guys. Bye.